Hi, my name is John Ryder, Senior Sales Rep here at DuraTech Industries, and it's our second in our very exciting series talking about Supplier Managed Inventories, or SMI. Today, we're going to talk about how the process works. Now, on a brand new project, our customer provides a complete list of parts to be quoted, including their estimated annual usage, their EAU, and blueprints of each part, which includes the specific material and adhesive requirements, along with size and other pertinent information that we'll need. DuraTech then quotes the parts as cost-effectively as possible, utilizing value-added engineering methods to reduce overall costs and minimize risk. It is at this point that EAU, total number of months inventory to be held, which is 3, 6, or 12 months typically, reorder point, and the estimated number of releases that are all taken into account to determine pricing points. A master quote is created with that information in a format that is easily viewed and can be quickly appended for new parts that are added. Upon acceptance of the master quote and an agreed upon Kanban, stocking agreement, or blanket order quantity, DuraTech will produce and inventory the parts. If bin stocking is desired, DuraTech can work with your current distributor or can make recommendations of a distributor who can fulfill your specific requirements. Now, here's the secret sauce of DuraTech's Supplier Managed Inventory programs. Our on-staff experts review our customers' forecasts and demand data on a constant basis to ensure adequate inventory levels are maintained. And by DuraTech reviewing the demand information from the customer and adjusting inventory levels automatically, or informing our customers of a brand new blanket order requirement, the customer is assured of having inventory ready to ship at all times. Invoicing can be set up on a weekly, bi-monthly, or an as-shipped schedule. Liability for inventory obsolescence and revision level changes are negotiated at the time of contract or blanket order. Typically, a 3 to 6 month inventory is produced, but sometimes as long as the entire EAU will be inventoried. This is usually when the EAU is relatively low, giving our customers great cost advantage for DuraTech to run and hold the entire year's worth of product. Join us next time for the conclusion of our series, which might be the most exciting part, the benefits to your company of having DuraTech run a supplier managed inventory system for you.